see Mike here, one of the later EC4s. Here's the guys who got a foot clutch. Both of these tractors came out with a hand clutch. You see that on the left-hand side as you sit on the tractor. Where the CC had them on the right side. As you reach up the pulling option, you have the hydraulics and the diesel hitch on this one. Bike pull with a 149.88 feet, 149.88.